15 Common Mistakes New YouTubers Make. How to manage a YouTube channel. Whenever you are learning something new, you must prepare yourself to go through a process of learning. So, we learn from the mistakes we make, and therefore experience is the best teacher. However, we do not need to reinvent the wheel since it was invented a long time ago. Fellow YouTubers have made many mistakes in their learning journey. I have interacted with a good number of them and compiled for you some of the regrettable mistakes they committed and yet they could avoid them. In this video, I teach you 15 common mistakes new YouTubers make, with advice on how to overcome them. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hannington. I am an internet marketer, and I teach you multiple simple ways to make easy money on the internet. If this is your desire, then pause and click the subscribe button for more ideas on making money on the internet, step by step. Also click the bell icon to notify you whenever I publish another educative video. And in the comments write, I subscribed, to enable me respond to your comment instantly. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you one of my top money making programs on the internet. And if you have not watched our exclusive series yet, just check down in the description for the playlist so that you do not miss any step in your journey to make money on YouTube fast. The common mistakes new YouTubers make are: Mistake number 1. Procrastination or putting it off. Avoid postponing your starting date. Many people want to start on YouTube, but they always propose to start tomorrow, or next week, or next year. A few others are perfectionists and they are never satisfied with what they have produced. So they take so much time trying to learn everything needed to produce a perfect video that will go viral from day one. However, this is not possible. Accept to do some mistakes, and as we said in our previous videos, learn from them. However good you try to be, along the way you will realize that your first videos do not fit the standard. So do not strive to be perfect at the start. Mistake number 2. Poor planning. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. To be successful in anything, you must plan. So when you decide to start on YouTube, you are starting a long journey, and if you want to find success at the end of it all, then you must plan well. If for example you promise your viewers to publish a YouTube video every week like I do on this channel, then plan for that schedule. This means scheduling time for searching for topics, researching content, and editing videos, publishing, and promoting videos. Viewers demand consistency, and it's easy to tell if your channel has good planning, if any at all. And if you want to give yourself the best possible chance of succeeding, then commit yourself to an actual publishing schedule on YouTube, and tell your viewers so. Mistake number 3. Perfect studio gadgets. Many new YouTubers want to start with a perfect video recording studio. Someone will not start a YouTube channel until they have bought good studio equipment. Yes, it would be good if everyone starts a channel with superb videos, with perfect lighting, clearest filming and perfect sound system. But you will take years before you can measure to the standard, especially if you do not start. As long as you have the content, just start with the small equipment you have, you will improve as you grow. Many YouTubers are using their smartphones to film and edit videos. If you want to learn how to make a video using your phone, check for the link in the description. Mistake number 4. Impatience. Never give up. Some people are so impatient that they are ready to give up at their first discouragement. Someone publishes a few videos and expects to be at the level of internet gurus who already have hundreds or thousands of videos. For heaven's sake, every strong tree takes time to grow and establish strong roots to feed it and hold it firm in the ground. Just be patient and grow naturally, you will soon be like the gurus you admire. Mistake number 5. Inadequate performance comparison. Do not compare yourself with others. So many new YouTubers get caught up in comparing themselves or their channels with mature YouTubers with big numbers of uploads. They are discouraged when their videos with relatively similar titles do not pick up like those of the mature YouTubers. They actually forget that these people have already built up a following, have a reputation, and know all the corners of the house. They have hundreds if not thousands of uploads, and have spent many years on YouTube. As I said before, play it cool and take your time to build your channel. Mistake number 6. Being afraid to experiment. Do not be afraid to try new things. As a new person on the YouTube, you cannot be sure of your abilities and potential properly. So, you don't have to confine yourself in one corner or niche before checking the goodness of others. Try out new ideas to see if they are better than what you have and whether you can progress in their direction. Secondly, YouTube is a community and your clients or community members may want you to change towards different direction, and you may perform better there. So, be flexible. Mistake number 7. Not engaging with your audience. Learn to interact with others. YouTube is a community. One bad practice some newcomers do is to speak but not listen. While your video could be very informative and interesting, you need a feedback. So, learn to attend to comments and requests. You can't do it alone. In fact, YouTube promotes videos with a high engagement, and you can initiate or fuel the engagement through comments. Exploit the pin comment by writing a provocative comment that compels people to discuss. Mistake number 8. Failure to gauge the length of your video. Keep your video as short as it must be. Whereas you gain more watch time with a longer video, it is very much possible to lose it all by making your video longer than necessary. Try to be precise and end the video as soon as the whole content is delivered. The more you overstay, the more overall viewership you lose. Mistake number 9. Information overload. Too many books is bad. The human brain can take in a lot of stuff, but the memory is limited to a smaller capacity. So, new YouTubers are fond of learning, but because most of them do not apply this acquired knowledge, they end up not making use of it. It's better you learn a little at a time and apply it, than learn so much but never apply anything. Mistake number 10. Poor branding. Establish yourself as a brand. Many new YouTubers lack consistency in branding. This is manifested in the type of videos you publish, the channel art picture, the color pattern you use, the language you use, and many others. When people associate with you, they expect you to be one kind of person and not multiple, and so is your channel and type of videos. If you want to make a variation in the videos you make, then prepare different playlists to overcome the discrepancy. Mistake number 11. Faking your personality. Never lose your identity. Some people want to appear like another famous person. This is faked personality, and it cannot be sustained for a long time. Remember that you are building a relationship with your viewer, and you cannot afford to change a personality after 1 or 2 years. First of all, identify yourself and build your character to what you would prefer. Remember, viewers want to relate with a personality, and you must take your time to build it. Mistake number 12. Focusing on yourself. Avoid focusing on yourself. It is common for some new producers to focus on themselves, instead of focusing on the viewers. When a viewer comes to YouTube, they are having a need that they are seeking a solution to. The center of focus is the viewer's problem. So, as often as possible, address the viewer directly on your videos. Focus on the value that you're bringing to the viewers, but not to yourself. Remember that they have spent their time to watch and listen to you. You do good to thank them at the end of your videos. Mistake number 13. Inconsistency in uploading. Be consistent and regular in your uploading schedule. Many new YouTubers fail to produce videos consistently. This negatively affects your channel, because your viewers start doubting your seriousness, and therefore lose interest. It doesn't make sense to publish videos consistently for 3 months and then miss for the next 3. It is better to set a slower pace of uploading, that you can maintain, than a faster one you cannot sustain. By the way, I hope you realize that our aim with this channel is to give you as much value as we can for free. So, for more ideas on making money on the internet, click subscribe, and thumbs up to get more educative videos of a similar nature in future. Okay? So, let us continue. Mistake number 14. Wearing distractors. Do not divert the viewer's attention. Avoid wearing things like sunglasses, hats, and makeup, which are great facial distractors. You could make a successful video without showing your face. But if you decide to show your face, make sure it is quite visible and there's nothing on it to distract the viewer. If you appear in a video with dark sunglasses on, many viewers will be offended, even if the content is first-class material. So is makeup, earrings, necklaces, and others. If you distract a viewer, they will not learn anything you teach. Background music too is a common distractor that producers normally forget. Mistake number 15. Trying to be seen everywhere at the same time. Work on a small assignment at a time and complete it. As a beginner, you are just learning a good number of things and identifying what is best for you. So if you try to appear everywhere before you learn the skills, you may lose it all and your channel may never grow to your expectations. Do not try to be on Facebook, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on Snapchat, all at once. Take your time to learn, and carefully apply these services knowing exactly what to do. Do not forget that for everything new to you, there's a learning curve necessary. So, be patient and learn one lesson at a time before moving to the next. In conclusion, therefore, you need to learn that mistakes are part of the learning process. We have all been there, and are still making mistakes here and there. If you fear making mistakes, you will never learn, and you will not achieve anything in life. Continue learning and your mistakes will disappear day by day. Now, some work for you to do. As promised, I want to give you one of the top money-making programs on the internet. If you want to realize tangible success in your struggle fast, take action right now. Choose one or both options here. 1. For very special coaching and one-on-one guidance, I recommend you to join the best program I would presently recommend for you. Click the first link in the description. 2. If you still want to learn from me for free as a beginner, watch my free tutorials video series playlist, and bookmark that page. Click the second link in the description. Yes, you can avoid common mistakes on YouTube as a beginner. Others have done it, and continue doing it. You can do it too, if you put in the effort. Thank you for watching.